children, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous class, we did the revision of alphabet of matching small alphabet with the capital alphabet. Now, today we will do the revision of dictation. I will dictate you some alphabets, small alphabets, and you have to write those alphabets. Okay, so get ready with your copy and pencil. Now the first letter is E for egg. E for egg. Write E for egg. Second letter is G for gun. G for gun. G for gun. Now next letter is L for leg. L for leg. Next letter is A for apple. A for apple. Write A for apple. Next letter is H for hut. H for hut. H for hut. Next letter is C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. Now next letter is K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Now next letter is M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. Have you written? All of you? M for mango. Now J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. Have you all written? J for jug. Now write F for fish. F for fish. B for ball. B for ball. Have you all written B for ball? B for ball. D for duck. D for duck. D for duck. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. So all of you have written. Now I am dictating it again. E for egg. G for gun. L for leg. A for apple. H for hat. C for cat. K for kite. M for mango. J for jug. F for fish. B for ball. D for duck. And I for ice cream. So children, have you all written all these alphabets? Now check it whether you have written correct or not. Okay. Now I am writing. If you have written the correct alphabet, put a tick over there. Otherwise, put a cross over there. Put a tick like this. If you have written correct, put a tick like this. Or if you have written wrong, put a cross like this. Okay. So look at your alphabets and do the correction. First letter was E for egg. Now if you have written E like this, put a tick over here, otherwise put a cross. Next letter was G for gun. If you have written G like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross there. L for leg. If you have written L like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross over there. A for apple. If you have written A like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross over there. Now next alphabet was, which I have dictated you, was H. H for hat. If you have written H like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Now next letter was C. C for cat. If you have written C like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross over there. Next letter was K. K for kite. If you have written K like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Next alphabet was M. If you have written M like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Now next letter was J. If you have written J like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Now next letter was F. If you have written F like this, put a tick over here, otherwise put a cross over there. Next letter was B. If you have written B like this, put a tick over here, otherwise put a cross. Next letter was D. If you have written D like this, put a tick over here, otherwise put a cross. Next letter was I. If you have written I like this, put a tick over here, otherwise put a cross. So children, you all have seen. If you have written correct, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. And in your activity book, you will do page number 15. Page number 15, page number 16 and page number 17 in your activity book. Okay children, and do the practice of dictation also. Next revision I will take it in the next class. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.